Alright, what I'm going to do today, this is for a P032D on an 07 Tundra. It has close to 305,000 miles on it. What I'm doing is probably not the best method of approach for this, given that the code is intermittent. Saw it come up yesterday, it was there for several hours, but then it went away yesterday afternoon. It hasn't come back yet. Really just doing this because I've got a 7-hour drive coming up in a couple days, and I just want to see if I can knock this out ahead of that. Basically, I'm thinking that this sensor right here, a knock sensor, is intermittent. So I'm probably going to end up replacing it. But with this code, sometimes what can happen is the wiring harness underneath here, the intake, if it gets broken up or chewed or frayed in any way, that could be throwing the code. I'm thinking it's probably just a sensor because it is intermittent. I don't have a new harness, but I did get a gasket set to throw on the intake once I put this back on. Really, the hardest part of this is just getting the intake off. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this first section of the video. Kind of what I was seeing on some other people's experience was that this one right here is the one I'm looking at, that you would get in here and this wiring would just be completely severed, chewed, whatever, and in a lot of cases there's like a rodent's nest back here. The disconnect for the harness is right back here, and I'm going to get a vacuum and vacuum some of this out, cover up the intake obviously, but vacuum some of the dirt out just to have it clean. I think it'd probably be smart at this point to go ahead and replace the full harness, but I'm just gonna stick with just the knock sensor right there, and I'm gonna hope that's it, and that way at least I'm only changing out one variable. If it comes back, I'll come back and do the whole harness. Also, just because I'm on a time crunch and no shops around here have it, they've got it shipped to deliver tomorrow, but I'm trying to get all this wrapped up just in one afternoon here. With the intake out and the throttle body, as you can see, it's pretty dirty on here. You might be able to tell a little better right there. Pretty dirty. So while this stuff is out, I'm gonna clean it up. You can see a good bit of dirt on there. So I'm gonna clean these up, the intake and the throttle body while I got the chance. Just using some throttle body cleaner. Alright, quick clean on the throttle body. Looks a little bit better. Wipe down the intake manifold, and old gaskets are off, new ones are in. Time to put it back in. Didn't mention it earlier, but it's 15 foot-pounds for that bolt right there. Alright, no codes right now. It is idling pretty high. I think maybe just after cleaning the throttle body and the intake and everything. So I'm gonna let it run like this, and fingers crossed for the drive coming up. There you go, for a knock sensor replacement.